how to do the island boho twist. So first thing we're going to do is detangle our hair, and also there's the coily hair I'm going to be using. I got it from Chisom, and you just want to separate it and keep it. And we just want to detangle our hair because I didn't add heat to my hair and I didn't stretch it out. So I'm using a spray bottle and a leave-in conditioner spray. I can't remember what brand that was, but yeah, just need to use that. You want to detangle your hair and make sure your hair is all set for the braids. Okay, this style takes a lot of patience and there's a lot of keys. Okay, so you're just going to take your edge control and like make the parts neater. You just want to like define the parts. I was just doing shakara here because this was the last hair I was doing, so yeah, you don't have to do all the stuff I did. That was just like being extra. Okay, yeah, I was just being extra. Anyways, child, you want to take your edge control and rub on that coily hair that you're going to use, and yeah, we're going to start feeding it in. So now you're going to feed it in like you normally do, like your normal knotless braids. I have a tutorial on how to feed in your braids, but you just want to like put the hair in there and start braiding. And you want to put as much braiding hair as required, depending on the width and the length of your hair. So yeah, I'm just going to feed that in like I'll normally do a normal knotless. Okay, and you want to be patient with this hair because it tangles fast, like this hairstyle. I don't know why, anyway, honestly I don't know why it tangles so fast. But yeah, as you can see, it tangled here and I had to like calm down and separate it. So that's what you want to do. And once you're done feeding it in, you want to, you have 3 strands when you're braiding hair, so you want to separate the one in the middle into 2, right? You want to separate it into 2 so you can like turn it to a twist. I don't know if that makes sense, yeah, but you'll see what I'm showing you guys. Like separate it into 2, right? And you want to add another braiding hair into that just to make it look neater. It's not necessary, but I do that all the time. And you want to start twisting. Make sure you twist to the left. Okay, so to add the coily hair to the twist, you want to take the coily hair and put one end inside the twist and the other one, which is the one that will fall out, and you want to use a clip to like clip it in to the twist, like hold it. I feel like it's like when you watch the video, you understand what I'm saying. Like you just want to use the clip to hold it so that it's like strong and doesn't slip into the twist, and you just keep twisting. So you're going to keep twisting and you'll have to check the length and if it's the same length with the other ones you've done before. And if it's not, you just keep twisting, keep checking it, keep twisting and keep checking it. And once it's at the same length with the others, you want to tie the hair at the end. Like just take a little bit and just tie like a knot, like you just tie like a thread. Yeah, so you just want to tie that. And once that is done, we're just going to start prepping our hair to be rolled. Okay, because you still have to curl the ends of that hair to give it that goddessy look. Okay. Yeah, and I was done here. I was actually honestly feeling myself because guys, it's not easy. Like my hands were killing me. Okay, so we're going to get our rollers now. Please have as much rollers as you can. I had just like 7 and it was not funny. So you want to have as much rollers as you can. And what you're going to do is you're going to separate the coily hair, the human hair that you added, out of the way. And you want to grab because you don't want to put that human hair inside hot water, especially if you got it from Chisom. Okay, so we're just going to get the ends right, and we're going to just I feel like the video explains that a lot for you guys. Just look at the way I'm twisting it and adding it to the rollers, right? Because you just don't want to put it on the rollers like that. It's not going to cut away. You have to kind of twist it and add it to the rollers, and like we're going to bend the rollers, and we're going to do that for the whole hair. And yeah, this is done for the whole hair, and you're just going to like dip it in the ends inside hot water. Yeah, like I don't know, my phone was not recording like the hot water process for God knows what, but you want to add your hot water and add your mousse inside the hot water. Yes, it just reduces the flyaways, and you're going to use a comb to like turn it inside the water. You want to turn the mousse inside the hot water, right? And then you're going to dip your ends inside the water. Be very careful, please. Make sure you don't pour hot water on yourself. And yeah, this is the end result. This hair was I think the song that needs to be played is Risk. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.